Once upon a time, the night was dark and heavy with monsoon clouds as rain poured endlessly from the sky. In a small, broken corner near an old alley, a mother dog curled her body tightly around her two tiny puppies. The cold wind blew hard and water dripped from every side, but she stayed still, shielding her babies from the storm. Her fur was soaked, her body trembling, yet her eyes stayed open, watching carefully. Every thunderclap made the puppies whimper softly, and she gently licked them, trying to calm their fear in the middle of that long, restless night. The rain grew stronger, turning the streets into flowing rivers of muddy water. The puppies were hungry and weak, their tiny bodies shaking under their mother's warmth. She knew she had to find food, but leaving them alone in such a storm was dangerous. Still, with a heavy heart, she stepped out into the rain, looking back again and again at her babies. Each step was painful as cold water splashed against her, but a mother's love pushed her forward. She searched desperately through the empty streets, driven only by the thought of her hungry puppies waiting for her return. As the storm reached its peak, something unexpected happened. A kind man passing by noticed the two puppies crying helplessly under the broken shelter. Without hesitation, he picked them up and wrapped them in his warm shawl, taking them to a safe place nearby. Meanwhile, the mother returned after a long struggle, carrying a small piece of food in her mouth. But when she reached the spot, her heart sank. Her puppies were gone. She dropped the food and began searching madly, her cries lost in the sound of heavy rain. Hours later, as the rain slowly softened, the same man returned, holding the two puppies close. The moment the mother saw them, she ran forward, her eyes filled with tears of relief. The puppies barked happily, snuggling back into her warmth. The man gently placed some food beside them and quietly walked away. That long, painful night finally ended with hope and love. Even in the darkest storms, kindness finds its way, and a mother's love never loses its strength, no matter how hard the night may be.